Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Gemini sa June 6, 2024, 8:37 p.m. Philippine Time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyong magpa-book for a private reading. So, alam naman natin, ang New Moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, um, new experiences. Okay? That is about, Gemini kasi is related to learning, new ideas, creativity, travel, ayan, socialization, social media. So, for you Aquarius, this is in your fifth house, okay? So, yung new moon mangyayari sa inyong fifth house. Especially for Aquarius rising, okay? Maaring mas mag-resonate kayo rito sa mga Aquarius rising. So, if you are Aquarius sun or moon, pwede rin naman na mag-resonate sa inyo. But, mas malaki yung percentage na sa mga Aquarius rising. Okay? So, this is going to happen in your fifth house, which is about children. Okay? Creativity, dating, romance, ayan, entertainment. So, if you are someone na very creative, nasa artistic side ka, you will gain a lot of opportunities ngayong new moon. So, pwedeng merong bagong creative project for you. Maaring ikaw mismo, you will go out of your way to explore your talents, your abilities, your skills. Kasi uh, meron tayong stellium ngayon. So, ibig sabihin maraming planets, luminaries sa sign ng Gemini. So, ibig sabihin may concentration ng energies dyan. So, Mercury is in Gemini. Mercury is very comfortable sa sign ng Gemini. It is its home sign, no? So, very, masaya siya dyan sa sign ng Gemini, which is about your communication skills. So, pwedeng meron kang mga i-enhance na communication skills mo, or mismo ikaw parang gusto mo i-improve yung iyong communication skills. Magbabasa-basa ka ng books, ng mga pwedeng, yung books na nahahawakan mo talaga. Kasi uso na rin yung Kindle, no? Yung mga e-books. But you will nourish your mind, no? May mga bago kang ideas, information, you want to learn more. Especially that Jupiter is here. Jupiter is the planet of higher learning. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng gusto nyong ngayon, makapag-aral. Pwedeng merong kayong sisimulan na yung iba mag-enroll sa master's degree, you want to take a master's degree or doctorate's degree to enhance your abilities. Some of you naman pwedeng online learning to, no? Mga short courses online or even self-study, no? Some of you will also have an opportunity ngayon to go out, to travel, to explore places, especially if you are dating someone, no? Maaring mas madalas ang paglabas-labas nyo ng iyong ka-date. Pupunta kayo sa EK, Enchanted Kingdom, or sa mga yung mga katulad na places na gano'n, yung mga theme parks, no, for entertainment, and you want to just enjoy and have fun. Some of you will also heal your childhood trauma, no, or you will heal your inner child, kumbaga. So meron din tayong kazimi ng moon, sun, and Venus, which is in 16 degrees pagdating ng new moon. Venus is the planet of money, abundance, love, romance. So nasa 5th house nyo rin yan. So if you are single, wag mag-alala kasi meron kayong makikilala na bagong inspiration. So, kailangan rin dito is lalabas ka, no? You go out of your way, meet new people, go to the gym, go to the... Alam mo yun, kung masyado ka rin mahiyain, paano, no? Or minsan lalapit na talaga sa'yo, pero you will push that person away. So, kumbaga, let it let it flow, okay? Have fun, enjoy, especially if you're single. But of course, if you are already in a relationship, no, I think you will spend more time with your person, going out, no? Unlike na lagi lang kayong trabaho, bahay, or alam mo yun, parang sobrang busy. But I think this is a time for you to uh, relax and have fun, no, with your romantic partner. And yung iba naman, okay, kung if you are active sexually, no, there is also a possibility of pregnancy. So kung kayo ay hindi pa ready to have a child, so you have to be careful. Pero kung ready na kayo, then go ahead. Okay? Have fun. Have fun talaga. So, let's see what else do we have for you. Yung iba naman meron kayong mga creative projects. Okay? Related to health, to beauty, and wellness. Pwede nga magsa-start rin kayo ng business na uh, related sa inyong mga talents, abilities. Okay? Let's see what else. Aquarius. You have the Page of Cups o meron talagang love offer. Someone is crushing on someone. Merong crush. May nagkaka-crush sa inyo. Maaring mararamdaman nyo itong person na to na very much interested sa inyo. Magpapakita yun ng sweet gesture sa'yo. Magpapakilig. This can be a person from your workplace or nakakollab mo, nakasama mo sa trabaho sa isang project. Can be your business partner or someone na makikilala mo because you ask for a service or a product dun sa person na yun. Pwedeng kliyente mo siya or kliyente ka niya, ganyan. Meron ding expansion ng ng inyong business, no? Kung meron kayong business, and pwedeng you will be collaborating with some people na pareho kayo ng interest, ganyan. You also have the Hierophant. So some of you, maaring magsimula ang seryosong relationship, no? Na kumbaga, hindi rin limitation yan na hindi porket seryoso, hindi na kayo magsasaya, no? So, you will also have serious relationships na kung saan mas ma-enjoy nyo ang company ng bawat isa. Grabe, very attractive rin kayo ngayon, Aquarius. Maaring hindi lang isa, kung single ka, no? Hindi lang isa or dalawa yung may interest sa'yo romantically. You have the Knight of Swords. Yes, I feel like there are a lot of messages coming through, no? May mga DMs, chats na gusto kang makilala pa. Alam mo yun, may mga mangungulit lang that may create some conflict. Okay? Yung tipong parang merong competition, no? Sense of competition dito na pwedeng yung person na yun nalaman na may gusto yung isang tao na yan sa'yo. So parang they feel threatened. You have the Ace of Cups. Nako, there is also daming offers for you. So I see a love relationship, a romantic connection na nagbo-blossom or magsa-start, and also an opportunity for you to earn more money, no? Dahil sa iyong talents, sa iyong skills, sa iyong ability, sa iyong creativity. So, explore that para masaya lang. Okay, let's see what else. Aquarius. Believe in your good luck. Oh, grabe, there's good luck happening sa'yo. Whatever you are manifesting, ano man tong vision mo, yung pangarap mo, hold your vision because there is good luck. Especially if you are into creative work, creative arts, creative projects. Lighten up. O ayan, this is the time for you to enjoy the fruits of your labor, to have fun. I mean, there's nothing wrong naman if being serious, no? On being serious. But, syempre, kailangan balance yan. You also need to know how to have fun, when to have fun, to go out and enjoy life. Kasi that's part of, that's part of growing up. Naalala ko yun. Classmate ka na nagsasabi laging ganyan, oh, that's part of growing up. Yes. So, yeah, I think itong transit na to for you, itong new moon na to sa'yo will open new opportunities in love and in your creative projects, your talents, your skills. So embrace that, okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye.